Quote Manager makes it really easy for staff to view and track outstanding quotes. So let's have a look. I've come into Quote Manager, view quote list, so I can see all of the current outstanding quotes across the school, but now I'm looking at the Adams building, and now I can see those that are awaiting responses, where quotes have been accepted, awaiting manager's approval, etc. So I can view that on the status column there. Now if I drill down and go into the cleaning works here, and I can instantly see some of the key details here. I can see the budget estimate of $20,000 there, and so fairly big contract here, and I can see the contractors it's been put out to, and I can see that Matt's Contracting has come back and they've submitted a quote for $27,000, and I can either accept or decline that. I can add additional comments if I want to, and I can remove contractors if I need to. If I come back to the quote list now, and this time I'm scrolling down to building works, which is still awaiting responses here. So again, I get the key details here. Budget estimate again of $20,000. I can add in photographs, I can add in addendums, etc. if I need to. And then I can remove contractors here, or I can add in additional contractors if I want to be able to address this building works quote that I have put out.